Well, another day, another courtroom battle for Donald Trump. This time, the former president just took a hit in his fight to reverse the reinstatement of federal workers he fired during his presidency. A federal appeals court has denied his bid to immediately overturn those reinstatements, marking yet another legal roadblock in Trump's broader effort to reshape the federal workforce. Let's break this down. During his administration, Trump pushed to make it easier to fire federal employees, arguing that government bureaucracy was bloated and filled with unaccountable workers. His moves were met with legal challenges, and once out of office, some of those workers were reinstated. Now Trump wants to undo those reinstatements, but the courts aren't letting that happen just yet. This ruling doesn't necessarily kill Trump's case entirely, but it does slow him down. And timing is everything. With the 2024 election on the horizon, Trump's vision of a streamlined, loyal federal workforce remains a major policy focus. If he wins, you can bet he'll take another swing at this. Democrats and labor groups, of course, are celebrating. They argue that Trump's efforts to politicize the federal workforce were extreme, and that reinstating these employees was the right move. Meanwhile, Trump allies see this as yet another example of the deep state protecting its own, blocking efforts to clean up Washington. So, what happens next? Trump's team can still fight this in court, but for now, those reinstated workers remain in place. Whether this legal battle resurfaces in a second Trump term, or whether it becomes another campaign talking point, remains to be seen. As the sun sets on today's tales, keep your spirit ready for the next adventure in the political wilderness.